Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to set up the Crosshair X, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is simply go to your, let me just leave from this game here. Now first you have to go to the Steam here, and you can find the Crosshair X. You can search for Crosshair X and you have to purchase this to for your PC or for a system, and you will be able to set it up. So first you have to do is first you have to just adjust the settings. Now, like, let me show you. Here it is. So from here you have to make sure that you have choose a Crosshair, or you can upload a Crosshair if you want. So from community you can download it, or you can find features saved or Steam workspace, or you can import a custom Crosshair actor into your needs. You can customize or design one as a PNG folder, as PNG file, and you can import it. Here are also top pro. Here you can find ammo triggers, tactical. You can find different types of strategical Crosshair that can improve your aiming in games. And also display modes. Here you have to choose the display mode and the position and size. This is the most important thing that you have to do is make sure that you have make the position here, and adjust the size from here, and also the cursor. Here in the cursor you have to setting up the cursor. When you have customized your cursor, you are good to go. After doing the best settings, then you are good to go. Then it will actually appear as your overlay on your screen, and you have to open your Roblox, and you can easily find that this will appear on your screen. Here at the middle you have just as like you have adjusted it or aligned it on your screen, and you can play it with your cursor. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.